my gosh, where in the world? We're down here.
We are. We are in the Florida Keys, and we are at KOA Sugarloaf Key Hotel at KOA Resort.
And this is right next to the very bottom of Key West, right?
It is, and this is the southernmost location that we have in our system for KOA.
Okay, well, this place looks huge, so we better get a walking.
Yeah, let's do it, but wait, we're going in the golf cart. We know you don't walk.
I mean, you know me well. I like to roll in style. All right, sliding on through.
As you can see, one of the beautiful things about being down in the Florida Keys is the natural landscape. It is stunningly beautiful, and we've been able to bring that landscape into this property. This property itself has 156 campsites. Each one of them, as you can see, is very private.
Yeah.
So we have patio sites. All of our sites have fire pits in them, which is a KOA signature amenity.
How many different sites does KOA have?
We have over 520 campground locations in North America.
The campsites are amazing. And so I saw we just drove by what looked like a pool area.
We do. We have a phenomenal pool. In the winter, it's heated. So no matter when you visit our property, you know that you're going to have a really great pool experience. We also have our pub that is adjacent to the pool, which is designed in old style Airstream.
That's cool.
Which is super cool.
Yeah.
One of the things that I really love about the amenities that we have, hammock, bocce ball, cornhole area. We've got 21 boating slips down at our full service marina. But once they put their boat in the water, we actually have storage area for all of their trailers, which is a really unusual feature.
Yeah.
We also back here have a boat wash area.
You guys have everything. We've seen the amazing RV area and campsites. If you don't have an RV, where are you staying?
Well, Rob, why don't I just show you? Come on.
Okay. All right, follow the leader. Let's go.
This is our 44 suite Sugarloaf Key Hotel at KOA Resort.
This thing is huge.
It is. As you first walk into our vacation suites, you're going to see a double bunk bed and then a full bedroom on the left-hand side with a full bathroom.
Okay.
This suite in particular can fit up to 6 people. We have other suites that can fit up to 4. It comes complete with a full kitchen, a beautiful dining area. It's been designed intentionally for kind of that sun-soaked Florida Keys vibe. It has a wraparound porch. It's a great place for multi-generational family events.
Come up here. This is the best views in the house.
Yeah,
I mean,
absolutely.
Look, we gotta check this out because we're right in the water. You got a stunning view of just everything up here.
You can come to this property and you can have a hassle-free vacation. Everything is already set up for you in our vacation suites, and you just need to bring your luggage and your family, and
that's it.
You're ready for vacation.
And you also got to bring just a fun attitude, because like if you can't have fun here, you are not supposed to have fun.
I agree, and I have not met a guest who has been here who didn't have fun.
I know. I'm having a blast.
Great, and I've got one more special surprise for you if you're game.
You know me pretty well. You know I like surprises. You know I don't like walking. You know I like adventures.
Captain Scott's going to take you on the best departure there is in the Florida Keys. And I hope you will think about us and come back again soon.
100%.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I love it. Captain Scott.
Hey, how are you?
You ready for an adventure?
I'm ready.